Hello, welcome to a Galacticraft tutorial. Um, I'm going to be showing you how to get oxygen in Galacticraft. There's two ways I know. One is just the battery way. The other one is a solar panel. So I'm going to start with the solar panel one first. First off, you need a solar panel. Any type of solar panel. You still get the same amount as oxygen. So I can use a basic solar panel, but it's not day, so I'm not going to use them. Ultimate solar panels can work in day and night. Okay, so I thought I lost this one. So first off, place your solar panel. As you can see right here, it's gaining energy. Okay, sun visible 666.7%. So this is basically your energy source. It's collecting the sun right now. I'm sure that'll collect more sun when it's day. See, it's going up faster. I like to place multiple of these. 3 is just enough. Now you have these solar panels. Sometimes the solar panels can change. So, like change their position, so they might be facing this way, they might be facing that way. So, you can tell they have these red things. This is where you put aluminum wires. Heavy or not heavy, I don't care. Just choose the one you want it to be. And what these aluminum wires will do is that they'll collect the energy from the sun. So that's why you need these. So once you've connected all of these with wires, you want to place an oxygen collector. An oxygen collector uses oxygen. The oxygen collector needs energy, and then what these particles are collecting oxygen. So if you're in space, you need leaves. You need leaves for this to collect oxygen. But right now, because this is Earth and there's oxygen everywhere, it just collects oxygen as you want. So the oxygen collector turns these into fluids. So you need pipes, fluid pipes. So you can add fluid pipes, and then the fluid pipes will put the fluid oxygen into an oxygen distributor. So so the oxygen will go to the bubble distributor. So this collects oxygen, and what the oxygen distributor does is it makes an oxygen bubble. Like these are oxygen bubbles, and it grows an oxygen bubble, and it makes them, and it makes it kind of big, and you can breathe in them. But if you're in space, you still gotta worry about pressure. So the oxygen doesn't affect your pressure. You can still breathe. You just need some armor for pressure. And as you can see, even though the solar panels are these are ultimate solar panels. These are the basic solar panels. The oxygen distributor still puts the same amount of oxygen. And what happens when it turns night? These basic ones will flip upside down. So you gotta make sure it's always day. But I don't think it'll turn night when you're on the moon. I don't think there's a chance it can turn night unless you're on a planet with moons, or unless you get a solar eclipse, and that way Earth is blocking the sun. Well, an Earth eclipse, I don't know if that's possible though. So if you're in here, it says the bubble is visible, but it says not enough power. So to fix this problem, you need an aluminum wire to enter this, and then there you can see a bubble is appearing. You can change if the bubble is visible or not. I prefer to have it visible to know where oxygen is. And there, it's collecting energy from these. It's making a big bubble. And then there's the second way, the battery way up. The battery, where you only use battery. Oh no. So, bam. Sooner or later, once this runs out of energy, it'll shrink. The oxygen bubble will shrink. And it'll shrink pretty fast. So, it'll shrink pretty soon. There it is. So that's why you gotta make sure. You gotta make sure, that you have solar panels connected. So this is a battery way. So, you just need batteries. Battery. Battery. Also, if you have a battery, the oxygen distributor can work. I think they can work alone without oxygen if you put an oxygen thing here. So it needs oxygen because unless you put an oxygen thing here, so you need two materials. I prefer the solar panel way. It's it would be way easier for me, even though it looks pretty hard. So those are two ways to make oxygen anywhere. And also if you want to decrease the pressure, just put some pressure armor on, like this. Of course, these won't affect your oxygen. Also, there's jetpacks. So, as you can see right now, there's a jetpack version of this, so where you have jetpacks and you can go high up really fast. And that is how you make oxygen. Bye bye.